guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my experience at the Palms Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada with all of you. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications. Now let's get into it. Living area. Bathroom 2. Bedroom. Good morning. Alright guys, we had a dinner last night at the Ace Buffet down in the lobby, and now we're gonna head down to have breakfast somewhere in the lobby. And after that, we're gonna head to our favorite place to just hang out and have fun, Top Golf. Alright guys, you saw the pool. It was a bit crowded at first, but it did clear up later on. There are 2 pools down there, and one of them was unfortunately closed. And there's also a stage for a live presence, which is very cool, as well as a movie theater down in the lobby, which is something that we're going to be going to right now. We're going to go grab a quick dinner and then head down there to catch a quick movie. Alright guys, that does it for my stay here at the Palms Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada, and overall everything was super fantastic. Now they have a great staff, they have tons of fun stuff to do, and the rooms are absolutely beautiful. And I definitely recommend this place to anybody who's looking for a hotel to stay in Las Vegas, Nevada. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Get to me! Look what you made, yeah.